Hey guys, Tony from Audio Visual Security. Today we're going to have a quick chat about the brand Focal. They're a French company who make high-end speakers, subwoofers and amplifiers, ranging from your 6x9s to your 6-inch to subwoofers and amplifiers as mentioned. Lately they've released the OEM edition speakers, which means you can have your brand new car and you want to upgrade your speakers and not have to spend a fortune on labor and customizing the vehicle. These speakers are actually designed to remove your speaker quite simply by removing the 4 screws, unplugging the speaker and putting the new speaker in quite simply. And the whole design is basically based around your vehicle's factory speaker. So the plastic mold has been replicated, so this installation is kept at a minimal. It'll go straight in the vehicle and improve the sound by at least 70 to 80%. Give us a call if you're interested. We can see if these speakers are available for your vehicle.